Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Nikhil Kumar. Today we are diving into a super important Kubernetes resource, that is DaemonSets. We will see what they are, why we need them, and we will get hands-on and deploy on our cluster. So let's get started. So first, what is a DaemonSet? A DaemonSet ensures that a copy of a specific pod runs on every node or on a subnet of nodes in your Kubernetes cluster. It's perfect for workloads like monitoring agents like Prometheus Node Exporter, storage plugins, log collectors like Fluent Bit or Fluentd, or security tools that must run everywhere. Basically, anything can should exist on all the nodes. Now you might wonder, why not just use a deployment? Deployments create pods distributed across the cluster, but not necessarily on one per node. DaemonSets guarantee that each node runs one copy of the node. It automatically handling nodes added or the removed. Now that we have understood what is DaemonSets, now let's jump into a demo and deploy a simple DaemonSet. So this is our Kubernetes cluster. So first of all, we will create our manifest file for the DaemonSet. So I'm giving a name, my-daemonset.yml. So let me update the content here. Now I will walk you through each part so you understand exactly what's happening. First, we have an API version and the kind. So basically this tells the Kubernetes that we are creating a DaemonSet resource. It's similar to the pod and the deployment definition file. Then we have a metadata. Here as well we are giving the name of the DaemonSet and the namespace. So here we are going into default namespace. Then we have a spec section. It's similar to the replica set manifest file. So under the spec section we have a selector section. So this tells the DaemonSet which pod it manages. Any pod with the label app equal to my daemon-pod belongs to this DaemonSet. This selector must exactly match the labels in the pod template below. So this is the pod template we are specifying. So it matches the pod based on this particular selector. So I've already covered the selector and the labels in my previous video. I would recommend to check it out as well. So below that we have a template for the pod that DaemonSet will create on each node. And inside that we are specifying the container information, like we are giving the container name and the in the image. Here we are using the busybox. At last we are running the command. So this command runs a shell and go into an infinite loop and then print a message DaemonSet is running along with the host name after every 10 seconds. So if you check the logs of these pods later, you will see which node each pod is running on. Now let's create a DaemonSet using this manifest file. Let me save and exit. kubectl apply -f and the my-ds.yml. So the DaemonSet got created. Now check the status of the DaemonSet. For that we can use kubectl get ds. It's a short form for the DaemonSet. You are seeing the output of this command. So here we can see the DaemonSet name, that is my DaemonSet. And here we can see the desired and the current, ready and up to date sections. And all are matching with the 2 because we are having a 2 node cluster. So DaemonSet have created 2 pods on each of the node. And both the pods are running perfectly fine and it's in the ready state. Now let's check the pod created by the DaemonSet. For that let me run the kubectl get pods. We can see 2 pods are running. Let's check on which node it's running. We can see both the pods are running on 2 different nodes. One is rk2-server, that is this one, and another is rk2-agent. So using the DaemonSet, each pod is scheduled onto a different node. On a single node cluster, you will see a 1 node, but on a multi-node cluster, you will see 1 pod per node, as you can see in this particular demo. If you need to add another node to our cluster, Kubernetes will automatically create a new pod from this DaemonSet on the new node as well. Sometimes you only want DaemonSet pods on specific nodes. For example, only worker nodes or only on Linux nodes if your cluster has mixed OS. So you can add node selectors or node affinity to the pod specification. So we can use this particular node selector definition into our DaemonSet manifest file and we can specify the label for the nodes. So this ensures DaemonSet pods run only on the node matching that particular label. I have already uploaded videos on the node selectors and the node affinity. I will add a link in the description so you can watch it out. Now if you want to delete a DaemonSet, we can use a kubectl command. So let's see how we can do that. For that we can use a command kubectl delete DaemonSet and my-DaemonSet. So DaemonSet got deleted. Let's verify this using the kubectl get ds. We don't have any resource for DaemonSet, and let's check the pod as well. Kubectl get pods, and the pod is in the terminating state now. So all the pods which is being created by the DaemonSet will be removed from every node. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.